Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to Mr. Thompson's art class. So we're going to go ahead and continue with color. Today we're working with warm and cool colors. All right, so we'll need to know the difference between those. All right, so attendance. Make sure that you're getting your assignments turned in today on the day that it's assigned for your attendance credit for all you asynchronous learners. All right, so announcement, today's supplies needed will be markers and colored pencils. And or you can use a combination of both or one or the other. It's up to you. All right, so joke of the day, what do dentists call their x-rays? Toothpicks. All right, so champs for today, nothing's changed recently. So voice level 0, this is for synchronous and face-to-face. You can go ahead and go through it if you join us on, or I'll go over it again if you join us on our Google Meet session. All right, so do now for today, explain how intermediate colors are created. There are 3 types of colors in the color wheel. There's primary, secondary, and intermediate. Explain how intermediate colors are created. All right, so go over your do nows. Make sure you're turning them in with your assignments. It's part of your grade. All right, so learning target for today, we will create art using the elements of art, specifically using color elements by verbal and visual instruction is how you're going to learn today. And why to discover the fundamentals for creating artwork using color, basically learn how to make art using color. All right, so here is our unit organizer. This is what we've covered so far. We've gone over the unit organizer launch, introduce vocabulary, which is right here. Color wheel, that was your last assignment. And today we're working on it's art using warm and cool colors. All right, so here's just a review of the colors. Red, yellow, and blue are your primary colors. Orange, green, and purple are your secondary. Okay, this is for your do now. If you had confusion or difficulty remembering which were the intermediate colors, the next slide here. Intermediate colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, etc. You get your intermediate colors by mixing a primary and a secondary color. Okay, so the tertiary or intermediate colors are always have a primary color and a secondary color in the name. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, blue, green, etc., etc. Okay, and then here's complementary colors down here. All right, so warm colors and cool colors. If you look at the little color wheel that I've attached to the slide, it shows the cool colors on this part of the color wheel and then the warm colors on this part of the color wheel. Warm colors such as red, yellow, and orange represent warmth because they remind us of things like the sun or fire. And the cool colors such as blue, green, and purple represent a cool feeling because they remind us of things like water or grass. All right, so here is your assignment for today. You're going to start by drawing a big circle in the center of your paper. All right, and you can turn your paper portrait or landscape. These 2 examples are in landscape, but you can turn it either way, any way you want. And then divide your background vertically or diagonally to create the day and night. All right, so here's a vertical. You can draw your line diagonally, which I think is cooler in my opinion, but it's up to you how you do it. And then create the day on one side, which is the sun, and then the night on the other side for the moon. All right. Use warm colors to represent the day and cool colors for the night. All right. Use good craftsmanship. That means you're doing your best job. You're not scrabbling all over the place. Remember, this is middle school art, not elementary. And then color it. All right. So have fun with this. It's a fun project. We do it. We did it the last couple years, and they came out really good. So I hope you enjoy it. And then make sure you turn in your assignment and your do now together. Take a picture of both of them and upload them. All right. And Bragboard is I go over that in our sessions. So if you want to join us for a Google Meet and here's some shout outs, you might be on that list. All right. So and then for your exit ticket, you just click here. It has to be in present mode for you to click on it. Okay. I'll attach the link to the assignment as well if you have trouble getting in present mode, but there's a little button up at the top right that says present. You click on that to put it in present mode, and then you can click on your exit ticket from the slide deck. You can also go to view on the left side and click it and put it in present mode. So there's 2 ways to do it, but that's how you do it. All right, and then y'all just have a great day, and we'll see you next time.